Shanghai Yucheng Machinery Co Limited was established in 2012 and is located in Shanghai, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company has engaged in the food machinery industry, and we have been adhering to the principle of independent innovation, professional business philosophy, and striving to form a good reputation in the industry. Our cooperation company covers an area of 4,300 square meters and have 64 employees. The cooperation company is specialized in food machine and has an annual production capacity of 3,000 sets. Our company has rich experience in the food machine industry. The product is qualified by CE. The main products include bakery food machine, cookie machine, mochi ice cream machine, moon cake machine, ma-mool machine, kuba/kibe machine, date ball machine, energy bar machine, frozen food machine, food processing machine, food production line, bread production line, steamed bun production line, baozi production line. Our products are extensively used in food factories all over the world, which are widely recognized and appreciated by users, as they can meet continuously changing economic and social needs. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reputation among our customers because of our sincere services, reliable products, and reasonable prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.